Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, where we make learning fun and straightforward. Today, we're tackling how to draw in Notion 2025, perfect for anyone looking to add a creative twist to their notes and projects. Notion has evolved a lot by 2025, introducing built-in drawing tools that make it easier than ever to sketch ideas directly in your workspace. Let's dive right in. First things first, ensure you have the latest version of Notion installed on your device. This is crucial because the 2025 update includes a dedicated drawing feature. Open your Notion app or website, and head to a new or existing page where you want to create your drawing. Step 1. Start by typing the / command, draw, in any block. This will bring up Notion's new drawing canvas, a simple yet powerful tool for freehand sketches. You'll see a toolbar pop up with options like pens, shapes, and erasers. Think of it as a mini digital whiteboard right in your notes. Step 2. Get creative. Use your mouse, trackpad, or even a stylus if you're on a tablet to draw. Experiment with different colors and line thicknesses to make your sketches stand out. For example, you could quickly map out a mind map for a project or doodle a quick diagram for your study notes. Step 3. If you need more advanced features, integrate Notion with external tools. By 2025, Notion supports seamless embeds from apps like Excalidraw or even Adobe Tools, allowing you to import and edit complex drawings without leaving your page. Step 4. Once you're done, Notion auto-saves your work, but don't forget to organize it. You can resize the drawing block or add captions to make it more useful. Finally, share your creation by exporting the page as a PDF or sharing a link with collaborators. Drawing in Notion isn't just about fun. It's a game changer for visual thinkers, helping you brainstorm and communicate ideas more effectively. Give it a try, and watch how it transforms your productivity. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tips. See you in the next video.